Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple pie magic bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 60 Nilla Wafers, and you're going to want to put those either in a food processor. I put mine in a Nutribullet just to make them into fine crumbs. That is going to be our crust, along with 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and you don't have to worry about that being at room temperature because we are going to melt that. Then you also need a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 large Granny Smith apple, and you want to peel that, core it, and dice it up into small little pieces. So you should have about 1 cup. 2 cups of white chocolate chips, and then 20 Rolos, and you want to go ahead and unwrap those. So I've got the shareable bag here. And then you need an 8x8 or 9x9 baking dish, and you want to line that with foil and spray it with cooking spray. So let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and prepare your pan if you haven't done that already. Okay, next, I am going to melt my butter in the microwave in 30-second increments until it is completely melted. Alright, my butter is melted, so I'm going to add to that my crushed up Nilla Wafers and my half a teaspoon of salt, and just stir that all together with a fork. Alright, that is nice and combined. You want to really make sure you incorporate that also. Next, we are going to pour it into our prepared pan and just push it on the bottoms and a little bit up the edges. Alright, my crust is prepared. It's pushed all on the side of my pan, and I am going to bake this now at 350 for 5 minutes. Alright, my crust just came out of the oven, and I went ahead and stirred together my cinnamon with my sweetened condensed milk. I just did it right in the same measuring cup. So next we are going to go ahead and sprinkle the apples, Rolos, and white chocolate chips over our hot crust. Alright, that already looks delicious. So next we are just going to pour over our sweetened condensed milk cinnamon mixture just over top of all of this. And then we're going to return it back to the oven. Alright, these are ready to go back into the oven for 21 to 24 minutes or until the edges are golden. Alright, my dessert just came out of the oven, so now we are just going to let it cool completely before we cut it into bars. Alright, my bars are all set up. It was getting late last night, so I did cover mine and put them in the refrigerator just to help them set up more, and so I could just mess with them today. So now I'm going to try to let them set out at room temperature for a little while, and then I'll cut them into bars, and we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, all of my bars are cut. As you can see, some are little, some are big. You can cut them however you want. They are a little tricky to cut, but I don't know if that's because mine were in the refrigerator. But they look and taste amazing, so we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's enough more. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.